this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Digimon Storytime Stranger demo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This game released recently for PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. And there is a demo that allows you to play a portion of the game for free. So all that you have to do is visit the website or go over to the Steam store page. If you go over to the website, you can click on demo at the top and you will be able to get it here. So the demo is available on all platforms. I'm going to be highlighting Steam in this video, but you can also follow along if you are on a PlayStation or an Xbox. Just make sure that you go to the respective store directly on your console, so the PlayStation Store or the Microsoft Store, and access the game page. If you access the game page here on Steam and you scroll down right above the option to purchase the game itself, you will see the option to download the Digimon Storytime Stranger demo. If you have never used Steam before, you will create an account, add the game to your library, and then click the option to download. You will have to do this through the Steam launcher, so I am showcasing it on the website, but you will need to have the actual launcher downloaded. You can click on Learn More if you are curious about what is included in this demo. Get a glimpse of the story with the opening chapter of Digimon Storytime Stranger in this demo. Save data can be transferred to the full version. Complete the demo and gain access to the Central Town Adventure Trial Mode to explore select areas and dungeons of the digital world. So there is a lot to do, and even after you go through all of this content, you will be able to transfer your save file over, so you don't have to do it again if you purchase the full game later on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.